What is up guys, HeatSeeker here and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to do my personal setup makeover and I also decided to make a video about it. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the accessories which I am going to use for cable management. One is the wire bin, then two are the cable organizers and some zip ties. Links to all these accessories will be given down in the description if you wanna check them out. Now let the time lapse begin. That's about it for this video. Don't forget to like this video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe to it, and also don't forget to comment down below if you like this kind of content or not. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.